change the lock screen wallpaper on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro, simply long press on the lock screen wallpaper and then tap on Customize and then unlock your phone. And that's going to open up the lock screen editor. So you can tap on Customize and then tap on Wallpaper, and then you can choose a different wallpaper. So there are plenty of wallpapers you can choose from. You can even create your own AI generated wallpaper. You can select from your gallery, or you can pick from any of the pre-made wallpapers. So for instance, I can pick that one and then tap on apply. Simple as that. You can see that's my new lock screen wallpaper. And it also becomes the home screen wallpaper, which of course you can change separately if you want to. So you can do that by long pressing on the home screen, going to wallpaper, and then you can choose a different wallpaper for the home screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.